What's going on, guys? It's Isaac. Today's video is something I've pulled out of my computer. It's like the last one I've got. It's of me buying a jet ski, brand new. As many of y'all know, I've had a bit of an accident, and it was a four-wheeler accident. I got hurt pretty bad, had to have surgery, and I am unable to use this arm for 8 weeks. I can't lift a thing. And there's no telling how many weeks after those 8 weeks of physical therapy and all that stuff I have to go through before I can really get to using my arm. So maybe I'm going to try some vlogging or something. I got to come up with something because I can't do my regular automotive videos right now. So all I got to say is, guys, be safe out there. You never know when this is going to happen, and it's tough. So anyways, here's my brand new jet ski video. I hope y'all enjoy. Guys, my jet ski. Check it out. It's pretty cool. It was about the cheapest one I could get. You know, I'm not a rich man. I can't afford like a crazy expensive jet ski, so I went with like the second to the cheapest brand new one. I didn't want any problems with buying an old crappy one, so oh, there's a friend of mine out there on the boat. I'm gonna get this thing in the water and join up with my buddy. Got her backed in, taking off my shoes and socks and hopping in. Whew. The rocks hurt so bad. I need to have some sand brought in here or something. All right, gotta undo the, all right. Unhook that, put my cell phone in the compartment over here. Ooh, the water is chilly. All right, phone in there. Oh my God, it doesn't fit. My phone doesn't fit. I can't believe my phone doesn't fit. All right. So I guess I'm gonna have to put my phone in the truck. Let's just do the easiest thing and put it right there. All right. Woo. Okay. All aboard. Neutral, reverse. I gotta hit the gas. That's forward. Oh, I gotta hold it. Cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna put my phone, well, I'm gonna put my camera in the compartment and go for a ride. It barely fits.
Actually, that's kind of cool. How
Yeah.
old are you?
44. Just 1 year, man. All right, dude, I'll see you later, man.
Yeah, man. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Turn the camera on.
It's on.
All right. All right, man. See ya. Alright, this is really cool. It's got a VTS. It's like variable, I don't know what it stands for, but it adjusts the pitch of the jet for the jet drive. So right now I've got it adjusted. So right now I have it adjusted like all the way down for like higher top speed, and it just takes off. Check it out. Plane's right off. So if I adjust it all the way up, so here we go. Here we go. Nose up, and it'll jump out. Dang. It'll almost do a wheelie. Let's see if I can get her to stand up. Woo! Alright, that's cool. So, and then you can go all the way in between. All you gotta do is adjust this thing. So it has an arrow. I wonder if that's where it wants to be for the best performance. I got it set up on it. Let's see if it'll go. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. So it seems to take off harder. Let me see, I'm all the way down. Let me take off again. Alright, that's okay, but I'm going to bring it back up to that arrow and I'm going to take off again. It feels like once it starts coming out of the water, it takes off a lot harder. Oh yeah. Man, that can make me sick. Let's try some tricks, because after all, it is the tricks. Pretty cool. Guys, that's it for this video. If you like this jet ski, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more of them, and I'll catch you guys later.